Welcome to the video explaining to you all how you can all create a trading plan and what you need to do to follow it and what things to avoid to make sure that you don't fall off the plan. So let me share my screen and show you all the important key points. So firstly, when you want to create a plan, you want to make sure that you stick to it and you stick to it with a strong mindset. Now, how can you exactly create a trading plan? In order to do that, you can go to a website called compounddaily.org. Once you go on here, you can put your whatever your account balance is. We recommend starting with 1,000. So if you've started with the same, you can put that in here. Then you can put in whatever you daily want to make. It could be 1%, 2%, 3%. Recommended is if you should be not risking more than 2 to 3% a day, and at the same time be focusing on making 2 to 3% a day. So when you're, let's do 2.5 that you want to make a day, a 30 days time period, 100% reinvesting, and you're not trading on the weekends. And now let's click on calculate. You can increase that account size from 1,000 to 2,097 in 30 business days by trading. Now, how much do you need to earn a day is something that you can calculate from here. If you're hitting your daily target following this from first day, second day, third day, fourth day, that means you're on your plan. This is how you can create yourself a plan for 30 days, or you can even do it for 185 days, which is half the year. Have a look at that. You can take that 1,000 to this simply by following a plan, which you can create by using this website here. Now, once you've done this, what you want to do? You want to make sure that you have a strong mindset, okay? Every day is a new day. Some days your plan is going to go in your favor, and some days you might hit a few stop losses as part of the game. You cannot expect for the markets to always go in your favor and expect every trade to be in your favor. Some days or some trades really will be against you. And on those certain occasions, you want to have a strong mindset and be ready and not have a chicken mindset. Now, chicken mindset will always work against you. What is chicken mindset? A lot of people, what they do is they'll have, let's say, first trade, they won, second trade, they won, third trade, they have won. The fourth trade hasn't gone in their favor. And they've lost maybe a last trade's profit or whatever, something like that. Now, the fifth trade, what they do is they reduce their lot size or they don't follow or stick to the plan. Now they're doing something completely rational. That's where things start going against you. You want to have a strong mindset. If one day or one trade is not going in your favor, that's not the end. There's going to be another trade, another day. So you have to have a very strong mindset. You always want to follow risk management. Now, if you don't know what risk management is and how to follow it, there's a video in the message that you've got this video from explaining what is risk management and how to follow it. Remember, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is a long-term platform, a long-term success game that you need to give it some time. And do not think that you've come in today, tomorrow you're going to be completely successful. It is going to take some time. It's important to stay consistent and not just be doing one trade, then missing the second, unless you hit a daily target. If you're missing one trade, that trade might be the craziest trade there, which is going to go hit all the take profits. But then there's another trade which has come and it's not gone in our favor. Now you've missed the winning trade because you simply didn't even take it. So you've got to be in the market to win. There's a simple saying, in order for you to learn how to swim, you have to step into the sea. That's how this works in this industry. I hope this video made sense. I'll see you in the next video.